Welcome, in front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot your device lock screen password and can't log in. In such scenario, the best solution for you would be to take your time and try to remember the password you used the last time. This might be the most difficult solution for you, but it will also save you a lot of time and a lot of work in the future in case you can't remember your password. You can also try and check if your device have face unlock or fingerprint unlock features enabled, so that you can access it a different way. But if you can't, then the second best solution for you would be to contact Honor customer service, and if you can prove the ownership of the device to them, then they will most likely help you recover the access to your phone without losing any data. And if both options are unavailable for you, then the third solution, which is slightly worse, is to perform a factory reset on your phone and to erase all data from your device and to recover the access to it this way. You can do it remotely if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, either on Honor ID account or Google account. This way you will be able to erase all data from your phone remotely using your one of these accounts on any other device. And if you can't do this, then perhaps you'd like to know how to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode, which you can do locally. If you want to know that, you can check the video on our channel. So if you'd like to go ahead and watch it. And these are all the solutions that you have for now. I really hope that this video helps you solve your problem, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.